12:24 to 105 on the 12:18. He was 057 and better by 0.3 of a second in reaction time. That's where it started and stopped with Scott Williams. So your current points leader, Pam Holtz. Just watch Brad moving around number 2. She's trying to do what she does. Run that 12:20 for that 240C out of Porterville. Roll Aguilar looking to go 12:90. They had to start going to roll. That's 72 Ventura. Pam and Brad both moving into round number 2.